Okay, this is for the Tera D6100 device. I'm demonstrating how to disassemble it and change out the battery. It's a big part of why this device has an on-off feature, just to make it so you can safely remove it out in the field. If your device stops charging well, you won't need to rely on a warranty claim. Just contact support at Tera-digital.com and let us know that you'd like to purchase a replacement, or sales at Tera-digital.com. So it's a single Phillips here. You don't need to disassemble from the other two Phillips here, just the base. And you'll see this orange part here has been designed to easily be removed. Now we do have some other devices with a double battery. Right now it's, I think, 4,200 milliamps of charge, which is far and away. The industry standard is like 200 to 400, and ours is 4,000 plus. And we have a double version, so you can get literally millions of scans from a battery. But here, you're not going to want to mess with this connector here, this J-style connector. It's this Molex. You're just going to want to carefully lift it up here. Then you've got the battery. You'll get the replacement out of the box, exact same form factor. Just take it. You'll see that it's got a key line here where the open part has the two little prongs that fit out. So you place it in there carefully, plug it in. It slides in, there's a slot. It may look like it's loose in there, but actually if we can get the camera in, you'll see it actually fits very cleanly into a designated slot, and the circuit board is snugly attached there. So the only sort of loose parts are going to be the cables themselves. So we'll just really easily, gently put that just like that. Put the screw, and we're almost there. And again, you'll want to make extra sure. It's not a huge risk until you pull the trigger, but make sure that the switch is off when changing the battery for safety. It's going to go in. You're going to feel it get tight. Just needs to be snug, not overly tight. Normally with most of the scanners, they don't turn on until you press the trigger. This one's no different, except it has the added override switch. But with that, it's back on, beeps as normal, and you're ready to go. That's it.